Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 7, export a contact. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Apps, scroll to Explore all the applications. Let's wait for that to load. Now let's click on People. Now let's wait for that to load. And now go to your contacts. Let's go to the right top corner of the screen where it says Manage Contacts. From managing contacts, we can import contacts from other applications or create file and export to other applications. Let's now export contacts. So we can export from all contacts, or we can, if we had another drop-down list, we could click on that and export. So this will allow us to export the contacts and create a comma-separated values file, so a CSV, that you can use to upload your contacts to another application. Let's now export. So the contacts.csv has been exported. Now let's click on the downloaded file and this will open up in numbers. So there we have the exported contact in the form of a table. If we wish to, we can also import this list itself to Excel, but that's for another tutorial. So we can now quit Numbers, quit Google Chrome, and so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.